Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Info. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App card not delivered. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your account and currently your card was not delivered, well, the best thing or the best method that we could do here is to basically contact support. Now to do that, you need to access the Cash App mobile application. So go ahead and open that up, and what you need to do next is you want to locate the profile icon. So profile icon is usually located at the top section of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and from there scroll down a bit until you see the option that says support. So click on it, and from here look for the option or button that says start a chat, and from there you'll be able to connect to a Cash App support representative. Now in this case, you want to indicate that currently your Cash App card was not delivered, and they will sort this problem out for you. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.